Abdicate. It is a verb. Abdicate means to give up, to take retirement from their position, to hand over their position or job to someone else. For example, the President of South Africa has abdicated to take retirement from their job. Qasim Ali Shah has abdicated from his foundation this month in 2023. Boss abdicated his project or assignment to his assistant during meeting. A person can achieve their goal until they are not abdicated with their goal. Synonyms of abdicate: give up, renounce, abandon, surrender. Antonyms of abdicate: take over, accept, abdicate, 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 abdicate. Thank you for being with us.